Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to share the recipe of aloo pyaaz kachori. In a bowl, I'm adding 1.5 bowl wheat flour, 4 spoons maida and 4 spoons sooji or semolina, salt to taste and 1.5 spoon of carom seeds or ajwain. Add half cup of oil. I'm adding warm water to knead the dough. Knead the dough until it gets something like this. In a kadhai or a wok, I have added 3 spoons of oil. Now I'm adding 1.5 spoon of cumin seeds, 2 spoons of crushed fennel seeds or sauf, and a pinch of asafoetida. Cook this for 1 minute. Now I'm adding grated ginger and 2 chopped green chillis. Add 2 spoons of gram flour or besan and 1 roughly chopped onion. For seasoning, I'm adding 1 spoon of salt, half a spoon turmeric powder, 1 spoon red chilli powder and 2 spoons coriander powder. Add 1 cup boiled potatoes. I am adding 1.5 spoon amchur powder, half a spoon garam masala and half a spoon Kashmiri chilli powder for the color. Take a small portion from the dough. I am flattening it with the help of my fingers. Like this. Place the stuffing which you have prepared and bring the edges of the dough together and join them at the center. Like this. I am frying them at a medium temperature. Fry these kachoris until they turn brown and crispy from both the sides. Roughly it will take another 10 minutes to get the perfect golden brown color. Now you can see the kachoris are puffed up and they turn golden brown in color. At this stage I am going to take this off the flame. Guys, do try this recipe at home and share your experiences in the comment section below. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.